Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope all are doing great. So as you all know, lots of my videos are related to cooking or it is related to origami. So I thought I could do something different and I thought over it and I decided to give all of you my garden tour. So I'm very excited about it and I'm also lucky I'm also lucky that I have a personal garden. So yeah, let's start. Wow, this is a garden and have a look, it's so nice. I really love this. And we also have this swing. Wow. Now I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna show you all the plants. So this is mint. Actually, I planted this small one, and yeah, it's growing more. Wow. Then this is a pineapple tree. Actually, the pineapple was coming, but unfortunately it came out really small. But yeah, it was the first pineapple that we had. Wow. So this is a kind of a jasmine variety, and this is Rakta Chandan, we call it. This Kadi Patta means curry leaves. This one is hibiscus. So this is pomegranate. This is golden philodendron. So this is the lemon.
You can see the fruits.
You can also see the fruits.
Parijat, which is also called as Harsingar. That one is all spices.
All spices.
The leaves are used in cooking. They get a smell of all the spices. This one is Suriname cherry. The plants are recently cut, so you won't be able to see the fruits. But when the fruits will come, we will definitely show you.
Yes, of course.
This one is bromeliad.
This one.
Yes. This is costus variety. See how beautiful is this. This can be eaten. The flowers are very sweet and sour. This one is okna. It gets beautiful flowers with the combination of yellow, red and black. This is mulberry, which is also called as tuti. You can see the fruits, they are coming now. This one is Barbados cherries. The flowers are started, so after few days you can see the edible cherries coming on this. This is myrtle. Family Myrtaceae. It gets white fruits, that's why it is also called cat's eye tree. Cherry. See the flowers are coming.
This is Barbados cherries.
Yeah. After few days you will get edible fruits on that. This is white hibiscus. See, you can see the buds.
It's coming soon.
Yeah. This is Kauti Champa. It gets white fragrant flowers. Then custard apple. This is jam, pink jam. This is Hanuman fruit. It gets custard apple like fruits, but they are elongated in size. This one is light pink jam. It is brought by my great grandmother from Japan around 75 years back. This is called ambadi. The fruits are used in cooking. This is again harsingar, or we call it parijat. That one is anthurium. It gets beautiful flowers. See the flowers of anthurium.
Wow.
Isn't it beautiful? Our harsingar gives us profuse flowers every day. This is variegated ficus. Variegated ficus. See how beautiful foliage it has. This one is called
This is called butterfly plant.
it gets purple flowers, and so because of the color, butterflies are attracted towards the plant. This one is fern. Type of fern. Some yellow creeper. I will tell you the name afterwards. See the foliage of Surinam cherry. Isn't it beautiful? These are all varieties of ferns. This is Acalypha. See the flowers.
It is also called caterpillar plant, right?
Yes. This is variegated wood. Generally we see green leaves, but this is different variety. The combination of yellow and green. This is Dracaena. This is chrysanthemum. We call it Shevanti.
This is again a pineapple variety.
Adenium. It gets pink flower, beautiful flowers, and in that pot only iris lily is growing happily. These are all type of succulent. This is Exora. It gets pink flower in bunches throughout the year. This is just a green grass, decorative purpose. This is again a succulent cactus variety. This is miniature kamini. It gets tiny white fragrant flowers. This one is chili hibiscus. See the flowers. You will remember red chilies. That's why it is called chili hibiscus. This one again, this is umbrella, mini umbrella palm. The stems look like umbrella.
We also have a pond here.
In
So
which these are called water cabbage, or the botanical name is pistia. This is some shade loving plant. It gets yellow flowers. This is beautiful croton. See the colors. This is oxalis, a shade loving plant. So it is kept under the shade of this rose apple. It gives you fruits which gives you the taste of rose. This one is bakul, the broad leaves bakul. It gives you brown fragrant flowers which are used in garlands. This is again different variety of fern. This one is Selaginella, again anthurium. This is begonia. Then this is gulbakshi. This one is our favorite chiku. It gives us lots of chiku.
I love chiku.
And this is star fruit, or you call it kamrak in Hindi. See the beautiful pink flowers. Yeah.
Wow.
Then this is the insulin plant.
It is used for diabetic patients.
It lowers the sugar level.
So this is insulin plant, as I told you, and I just took this leaf from the plant, and I'm gonna eat it. It tastes sour, and it tastes really nice.
This is sontakka. This is our favorite kamini. Since
Yeah.
all the plants are cut, they will be getting new shoots.
I really love kamini.
This is again our anthurium, the fern polypodium. This is desi rose and the fragrant sonchampa. And this is haldi. What we eat is that haldi, this one, the rhizomes. And this is
Neem.
air purifier neem.
So this is, we have attached a hanging, and actually I really like this plant. I call it purple fountain because I had kept it here and it grew till here. So it is so big. I really like it. So if you like my garden tour, please like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates of my videos. Bye. Have a green time.